How's it going, everybody? My name is Chris, and I'm here today to talk to you about emails and presentations, PowerPoint, videos, whatever you may have, whatever you may be going to your next meeting. It doesn't matter. Nowadays, in 2020, we don't want to read, and we don't need you to write us long emails. You know, one of the things I can relate to about emails is I used to write long emails. I used to think that, sucking up or putting long salutations or explaining how busy I am, things of that nature, I thought they would make sense. I thought they would be something that somebody would want to read about, somebody would want to hear about. But in the end, as you can see here, don't write long emails. Don't write tall emails. Because at the end of the day, a professional person is way too busy to read your email. Even if you think it's short, you can make it shorter. And then the other thing I'm going to talk about today is stories. Try to relate to somebody. Try to relate to your manager. Relate to your boss. Relate to the people in the audience. Try to explain to them your life situation that brought you here today to present to them. They may be able to relate to that. And once they relate, you've got them hooked. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Shorter emails and grabbing the attention of your people, grabbing the attention of those people you want to sell your next product to, grabbing the attention of the CEO, becoming their friends on stage with less words, more pictures, because who doesn't like pictures? So, from this project this year that I've done in business communications, what I've learned was keep it simple. Nobody really wants to hear about your day or, as you can see in the picture here, how crazy I am at work and all the mumbo jumbo that's going through my brain. Keep the words simple. If you got hired and you're already at the company, they obviously have you there for a reason. So there's no need to put big words into anything and make it longer than it needs to be. They understand what you're getting across, and they honestly have better things to do than sit there and read some long email. If you keep it short and get it straight to the point, you'll probably be more respected in the workplace, and you'll probably get more responsibilities, which leads to more money because you're not confusing the situation. Once you confuse the situation, nobody's going to want to talk to you anymore. And then if you can tell a story at the same time, keep it short too, whether you're on stage, whether you're in an email, whether you're writing a report. But always remember that people like stories and people like to relate to stories. So tell a funny one. Maybe don't tell a sad one because nobody wants to hear a sad story anyway, just like writing a long email would equate to a sad story. So remember, tell a story, but grab their attention. And you can grab their attention by making cool graphics, making small videos, just something that will keep the audience awake and not sleeping through your presentation. I think that data is boring and factual real life is fun, and people can relate to fun. So remember, tell the stories, have some really cool narratives as well. That'll help you really connect to your audiences. See here, this is what meetings used to look like. But as you can see, this simple math over here, everybody's sleeping. Nobody likes math, and nobody likes words that don't make sense. So at the end of the day, keep everything short, to the point, and don't make it seem like you're sucking up too much because you've already got the job. Unless you're trying to sell something, make it seem like it's fun. Add a story to everything. But at the end of the day, don't sit there and present facts upon facts upon facts. Try to relate those facts to their lives and your life. And who knows, you might become the next CEO of the company. My biggest recommendation from all of this is YouTube as your best friend. You can go on YouTube nowadays and find anything and everything that you need to become a better presentation person, a better email writer, a better communicator at work, and overall a better employee. So please, keep your email short and to the point. and tell me a story while you're at it. I'm Chris. Thanks for joining in.